So express 68464 to 3 significant figures. Anytime that you want to round up a number to the nearest significant figure, the standard of the question must not change. Don't forget what we have here is 68,464. So by the time you finish rounding it up, your answer must also be in form of thousand by the time you pronounce it in words. And in significant figure, numbers that are up to 5 or more than 5, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, will be rounded up to 1. While numbers that are less than 5 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be rounded down to 0 and add to the next digit. So if it wants to round it up to the nearest 3 significant figure, so our answer will be 68500. 68500.